how to fix Moneynetwork app not working. So there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. So here's a general approach to resolve problems with the app. So the first one is to check your internet connection. So you're going to go ahead and ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Poor or no connectivity can cause issues with loading the app or making transactions. The second one is to restart the app. So you're going to have to close the app completely. Next one, we're going to have to check for app updates. To do this, you can go ahead to your App Store or Apple App Store and check if there's an update available for the Moneynetwork app. For the next step is to clear cache and data. So you can do this by going to the settings, apps, Moneynetwork, tap storage, or you can see a clear cache option. So go ahead and do that. So the next option is to reinstall the app. Another one is to check for system updates of your device, because sometimes app issues can be caused by outdated OS versions. Another one is to try using a different device. If possible, try using an app on another device to see if the issue is specific to your phone. For our next option is to check for server outages. Sometimes issues to the app may be due to server problems. Visit the Moneynetwork website or check their social media pages for any notifications about server interruptions or maintenance. And for our final option is to contact Moneynetwork support. It's best to contact Moneynetwork's customer support team for assistance, as they can provide specific guidance for your account or the app. Now those are ways to try and fix the Moneynetwork app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.